What's up guys? Welcome back to a craft a day with yours truly, Araceli Chan DIY. So the theme for this week's DIYs, grab your tea and let's get crafting. You're gonna make this super cute DIY using mostly Dollar Tree items, as you will see here. The only thing that's not Dollar Tree are these Go Create jumbo craft sticks that I purchased at Walmart, and I think these are about 7 inches long, but they're perfect for projects like this.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
You'll be using the red paint to paint the inside of the frame. As you can see, I painted the sides and the top, and then the black paint will be used on the jumbo craft sticks, but I used a baby wipe to give it more of a stained look than completely covering it with the black paint. Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. The gold foil transfer rub-on letters are super easy to use. Those are from Dollar Tree, but I'm also going to be doing some hand lettering of my own. We're gonna dance. Dance. Come on. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to a craft a day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.